Welcome to Baloo and Besties. Thanks for joining us on another adventure. Today, Mom feels like being a bit of a pest to Baloo, but Baloo argues back and gets a little grumpy. Come join the ride.
What are you eating? Hi. Baloo. What is that? Who made that noise? Oh my gosh.
What was that, Balooski?
I gotcha. Hi, sweetie. Baloo. Up. Oh, yeah. That's okay. Hi. Oh yeah, you don't like that? What is that? Okay. I'll stop it then. Is that better? No? Maybe? Oh! That was tough.
Have I told you today how glad we are that you're here? Well, we are. Thanks for stopping by our channel, and if you like Baloo's videos, hit that subscribe and notification bell so your pooch never misses a new video. And Baloo loves when you hit the like button almost as much as he loves those treats.
Poke. Hi. Poke. Hi. Give me a kiss. You give me a kiss. You're mad at me? Thank you for the ball. Baloo? I don't have anything. That was a full mouth. The teeth.
Thanks for joining, and come back next week for another snowy adventure as we hit the trails together for some long-distance hiking in the woods. Have a wonderful weekend, and we do appreciate you being here today.